Banana pudding is a classic southern dessert, well loved for its creamy texture and comforting qualities. Here in the South, nearly every family has their own spin on the crowd favored, and there's not a tailgate party, church potluck, or family gathering without it on the menu. If you're looking for a simple southern favorite to satisfy your sweet tooth, banana pudding is the recipe for you. Why should I make this banana pudding? It's a combination of the very best methods. Scan the internet or old southern cookbooks for longer than a minute and you'll find about 100 different ways to make the easy dessert. Meringue or whipped cream, vanilla wafers or shortbread cookies, served warm or chilled, no-cook or custard-based. We've married the best methods and ingredients to showcase a classic, from-scratch banana pudding you can be proud of. It's authentically Southern. Southerners started incorporating bananas into fruit pudding around the turn of the 19th century, and the earliest versions consisted of custard-based pudding, bananas, and meringue. Today, many Southerners still prefer meringue-topped pudding, although whipped cream has become just as common. While some variations call on instant pudding mix, a folded-in whipped cream, or even the addition of sour cream, the most classic Southern version is thickened over the stove with either flour or cornstarch. Here, a custard-based vanilla pudding is cooked on the stove top and layered with sliced bananas and crumbled vanilla wafers before chilling in the fridge, then topped with either whipped cream or fresh meringue. We're leaving it up to you. Classic banana pudding requires just a few easy-to-find ingredients. Milk, eggs, and sugar make up the bulk of it, but the two things you'll want to get right are the wafers and bananas. This recipe was perfected using the Bisco-Nilla wafers. We crumble the wafers for easy eating and serving, although mini Nilla wafers are a cute and delicious alternative. When choosing bananas, look for ones that are perfectly ripe with no brown or green spots. They'll break down over time in the pudding, so you want to pick the freshest, most ready-to-eat bananas you can find. Slice them into thick enough chunks to where they'll hold up well in between the layers of vanilla pudding. Start with a thin layer of pudding, followed by a few cookie crumbles, banana slices, and then a thicker, more substantial layer of pudding. Repeat the layering of cookies, bananas, and pudding once more while the pudding is still warm, then chill the whole thing in the fridge. You can lightly press a single sheet of plastic wrap directly on top of the pudding to prevent it from forming a skin, although I'll have you know that plenty of Southerners love that part. Once the pudding is cold, top with your choice of fresh meringue or whipped cream, then finish with more crumbled cookies. Banana pudding can be assembled and served in glass bowls, casserole dishes, or individual jars. For a quick and simple treat to share with a crowd, choose a serving dish about 1-2 quarts in size that guests can spoon from into their own bowls. Stick with 2 layers of pudding, bananas, and cookie crumbles. If you want to serve individual portions, layer the pudding in small ramekins or Weck or mason jars. While banana pudding can be made in advance, keep in mind that the bananas will break down over time, releasing a watery weep that may spoil the treat for some. We recommend eating the pudding within 48 hours of preparing it.